Hello, Miriam Freer here. I work with an amazing company called ENJO who basically enable us to clean all around the home, inside and outside, just by using a fibre, different fibres for different jobs, and cold water. So gone are all those needs for chemicals that maybe we've been told all over the years that we need. So I'm going to do a new little series called What Would ENJO Do? And we have had loads and loads of storms in Orkney. The windows are horrific. You'll see that from the first photo that I put into this video. And so this is our amazing combi wiper, and I've just put a little extension handle on the end, which means that I can reach right up to the top without any need for a step up, which I love, because that just means that everything's really stable and I'm on the ground. I've already completely saturated it. You can probably hear the water in the fibre, and that's because there's loads and loads of dirt on here, and the dirtier it is, the more water you need. I've also got my trusty pump spray bottle, and I like this because really it enables me to get all the way around the house, and because it works on a pressure system, it means I don't need to keep on pulling a handle, and because it's a bigger size, I get all the way round. So, bit of water, and there's already some on my fibre, and here's the ENJO magic. So the fibre traps and holds the dirt inside it. So gone are those days of having to go from, you can see the dirt all in here. I don't need a big bucket, I don't need to hose it, I don't need anything else. I just need my fibre, and this will take me all the way around the house, and it will still be working. Oh, very good for getting spiders out of the corner as well. Spiders, nasty old spiders, not new ones, not killing anything here. And because there's no chemicals, then everything's really safe. So the fibre does the work, and then the blade will take off the moisture for me. All right, and it leaves it streak free. You can see the dirt just piling down here, and I just need to dry it between each sweep down the window. I'm not pushing too hard. And because we haven't left anything behind, we've got no residual chemicals there. We've got nothing that's going to streak because it's just water. And it is as simple as that. You can just see those last bits of moisture are going to evaporate away, and that leaves me with a lovely streak-free window every time. So this is what ENJO would do to do your windows.